Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a video. I picked up this acrylic kit nail set at Walmart the other day, and I wanted to get on here and just show y'all how to do this up and see what it looks like. So it comes in this really cute plastic, like a Tupperware kind of, and then what you get is the acrylic powder, the acrylic primer, some nail glue. This one is regular and this one is, well, this one says acrylic masking liquid. I thought they were both glue. And then this, I'm not sure exactly what this is, so I just have to read the directions, I guess. It comes with a little plastic top, I guess, to pour the acrylic in. Comes with the actual acrylic liquid. A little file, and that's all in this first one. And in the back, it comes with all the different nails. It comes out this way, so it like slides out. It has the instructions, another nail file. I guess this was like more of a buffer. And then it comes with what comes with this brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the nail polish that I have on my nails now. So preparing your nails, clean. Okay, I already cleaned them. So now what you're gonna do is push your nail beds back, is what it says to do. this clipper that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I love this one because it gets my cuticles, or you can clip your nails. And I use the file to file them. Apply nail primer to natural nail surface only.